What's up, everybody? Here Ivan. I'm gonna make this video on this company that I just joined last week. It's a safe energy company right here from California, and it works in Texas too. But yeah, I've been getting a lot of referrals lately on free traffic ways, on Craigslist, Facebook, OfferUp, and everything. So I get $20 per referral, and when you guys sign up to this company's OhmConnect, you get $10 just for signing up. You don't have to pay nothing. It's free. So you just gotta put how it works and everything. You just gotta put your electricity bill connected to this system, so you can see how much electricity are you wasting every day, or it tells everything. I don't even know what they're talking about. They pay me for every referral $20. It is free to join. The bad thing is only works in California and Texas. I would like it more if it works on national, like at least on the states. But that's how it works and everything. So I've been getting leads, referrals for free. I just go to Craigslist, like this this post. Just go to on the resume section. I'm from San Diego, so I've been sending right now a lot of messages to these people, and they've been getting involved since they're looking for a job. Just go to the, let me, where do you go? Right here, very fast. Right, like this person, they're looking for a job. They just post their resume so people, companies can see them and they will get hired. Like this person, hello, I'm looking for, they already have their picture and everything. So it's like putting their work history right here. So you can, if you wanna join them, if you wanna join them on your business, so it's something different. You can, that's why I always make a landing page, on my CPR offers and everything. But like this person, just message him, Gmail, and just send them a message, a friendly message, like this one. And that's what I've been doing. Hey, how are you? Do you want $10 for free? Get $10 when you sign up for free. Go here, and that's it. People will go. They're curious. They need money. So that's it. And I put a screenshot. And that's it. Send it. They will see they will, since they're curious, hey, $10 for free. Cool, awesome. And they will click, they will sign up. But to tell the truth, you gotta be like following up with them. That's what I like about the system. They will follow up with your people, with the people that are signing up. Just gotta yeah, like right here in 20, when friends, you gotta join the server. How you get paid, you gotta connect your electricity bill from California. Right here is SDGE, but I don't know, in LA they have a different company for electricity and gas, and on the another side like California, San Francisco, over there, Oakland. They have different electricity company. But yeah, that's how I've been getting a lot of leads. Just sending messages to these people part time. I was doing this for a couple hours. You can see right here, I was sending it. I'm doing this because I know a lot of people, they don't like to pay for traffic. I can do this on Bings. I can do it maybe this week, or I don't know, maybe tomorrow on big ads, and I'm gonna kill it more. I'm gonna pound it. To tell the truth, since I know about keywords and everything. And yeah, maybe on Facebook too, Facebook ads. I'm just doing this for free because I know a lot of people, they don't like to pay. Or they don't know how to do a Facebook ads or Bing ads. What else? The other one I was trying is YouTube, making YouTube videos. And it was awesome. That's what I do on a pay-per-call YouTube videos. On other accounts, I'm making new accounts, and it's something different, more advanced. So I'm not gonna get into that. So I don't want you get you confused. So that's what I do right here on Get Leads for free. And on Facebook, right here, like, just go right here and type my friends who live in New York, no, in Texas. So I have a lot of friends who live in Texas, and I can tell them about this opportunity. And tell them, hey, you want $10 for free? What I usually do, just send a friendly message, like this one. Copy, and let me send it to people that I'm not usually connected. So I just add them as a friend. Like, I know a lot of these people. But I have a lot, so you can pick which one. Like, which one? I think I know a lot of these people. I don't think that many. Okay, let me send them a message right away. Just check their profile, if they're willing to take action or something. So since they joined your team, so like this person, sorry, the Shamrock Briscoe. Okay, so I can send them a message. A friendly message. I think I already talked to him. But just like that, I'm just gonna leave it like that as an example what I do. Like that. Hey, how are you? Thanks for the ad. I will raise this. You just gotta think outside the box what to tell these people, so they will be interested. They won't think that it's a scam or something. And how are you? Put their name. Then Sean, how are you? That's simple. And he say, hey, I'm okay, and that's it. And he will respond back, hey, I'm doing good, and this and that. And then you tell them, do you want $10 for free? And they'll say yes. Or just tell them, think outside the box. Hey, do you want $10 for free for the beer or something? Just tell them, and they'll say, yeah, cool. What to do? And that's it. And you just send them your link. Your link is gonna be more related to the business. Like this is my my link. I got a couple links. Like this one is from San Diego. When I post it on Craigslist, this is what I send them. San Diego, so they will see, oh, okay, it's awesome. They're more skeptical on Craigslist, on the people, because they've been getting a lot of how do you say it, a lot of scam emails, no, scam links, sorry, scam links, and they don't trust people. But yeah, this is my link from San Diego, and you can tell it looks legit. This is from the company. It has a video how it works, that you can save energy and you get paid. I don't really, to tell you, just referring right now, but you still can get paid for saving energy in your home, right? And in your home in California and Texas only. They have like a smart meters right now, and right here in California, in Texas, is working now with this company, so that's why they pay $10. They pay $10 so you can sign up, and $20 if you refer people. Only from California and Texas. But yeah, this is my link. Like, you gotta buy a domain name. I have this one for Texas. I got it for free since I'm doing Facebook on this. And that's it. People interested, I will send them this link. And what OfferUp? I've been doing a lot of OfferUp too, testing, and it's working out awesome. So yeah, like right here for free, free stuff. Like this one. I've been getting a lot of traffic. Right here you can see it. On your smartphone you can see it better. All the traffic, you'll be getting like a lot of clicks and everything. It's not like Craigslist. If you post it on the free section, Craigslist will take it right away. Will take it out right away, shut it down, or maybe they will flag your account. And that's why I don't even try it on Craigslist, cause they're very strict on this. They'll be burned a lot. So like this one, I just posted like 3 hours ago. I've been getting a lot of clicks. Like I don't know, like I think I got like how many, like 70 clicks in an hour, I think. I gotta check my smartphone. Right there on your smartphone, when you post something, they tell you the clicks that you're being getting for from your post. So yeah, this is the way I've been getting leads on this company. So you guys can do it part-time, at least make $100. Couple hours after work. I don't know your business. I don't know what you do on your business, but some extra cash right here. I was doing it. I'm gonna start doing on Bink's ads tomorrow, and maybe some Facebook ads. It's all about putting the state and zip codes, the ones that really need money in the ghetto. That's what I'm trying to. People from the ghetto that really desperate for money, that will sign up fast. But yeah, if you join with me at this in this business, I will give you for free a Facebook ads video training course. This is worth like $500. And for you local business people, I will give you one for local business. This is worth like $500, I think, too. So if you want to promote your model, your business, local business, so you can get more clients. If you're not really into this online marketing, so you can get more customers and clients for your website or business or Facebook fan page or whatever. Alright? If you have questions about joining this system, I already told you gotta connect your electricity bill to this company, to this OhmConnect, to become a silver member, and you'll get $10 for free. I think it takes a couple hours so they can approve you, or maybe the next day, or maybe 24 hours. Because to me, it took me like 24 hours. I don't know why. Because maybe it's the electricity company that I am bought. Maybe it was that, but maybe in LA or another Bay of California is more faster. But yeah, let's be connected, and let me know if you have questions. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.